we'll discuss about the GPIO mechanism to understand the digital with digital out. So on Discovery Board, there is a one user defined input and use as a button. If I place that, we will try to on the digital output as a LED. Okay. So circuit is simple. This is push button. I press this as done. Okay. This is a code. In main, first we need to enable the clock for both the peripherals. Now digital output is on port D and digital input is on D. I need to enable the then mode of the set. So PIO A pointing to register will be set the mode as a out and mode as a input. Right? And for GPIO D will be set as a out. Yes. So once mode has been set, now go to the while one infinite loop and we are right now going to read the input. So input is available in the idea register, data register. Which port I am using? So port is pointing to IDR. We need to get the pin that is zeroth number. So this is the logic. The I place that button to set the particular pin that I want to turn on over here. Okay. So all pins I am using here as out. Hence F value has been passed over here. If button is pressed, turn on all the LEDs. If button is not pressed, means else turn off all the LEDs. Okay, this is the code. Just compile the code and download the code into the hardware. Now, if I press this button, I press the button, LEDs are. Thank you so much.